Found a WLI file from your old Windows Live Messenger days and wondering what's inside? This is a custom emoticon from the classic MSN Messenger era. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to view and convert these Windows Live Messenger emoticon files. The easiest fixes come first, but I want you ready for the ultimate solution, the magic utility that specializes in the WLI format. Details below. A user with a WLI file likely has an old backup of custom emoticons from the discontinued Windows Live Messenger. These files were used to import and export animated GIFs or static images as emoticons, complete with their associated keyboard shortcuts for use in the popular instant messaging client. The WLI format is a proprietary binary container designed by Microsoft to package an image file, e.g., GIF, with metadata such as the shortcut text, e.g., and a friendly name. This simple, all-in-one structure made it easy for users to share and install custom emoticon packs with a single file. Guaranteed access to WLI files is typically achieved using Windows Live Messenger from Microsoft. Full multi-track access requires a utility specifically designed for the media format. Windows shows only surface-level details, while complete interpretation requires the intended application. We are looking for the exact software decoder. Right-click the WLI file and select Open With. Use Windows Live Messenger if installed. If it's unavailable, choose another program and check compatibility. If the WLI file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. The best fixes start with understanding the problem. Before we move to the universal tool, here are the technical culprits behind the file failure. First, examining file contents. Open the WLI file in a hex editor or rename a copy with a .zip extension and try extracting it. The internal structure may contain a recognizable PNG or GIF image embedded within the container. Locate the image header signatures to determine the embedded graphic format for extraction. Next, extracting the image. Use a binary file extraction tool or write a simple script to locate and extract the PNG or GIF data within the WLI file. Image headers begin with specific byte signatures, making them identifiable. Save the extracted image data as a standard PNG or GIF file for viewing in any image viewer. Finally, using Legacy Messenger. Install Windows Live Messenger on a legacy Windows system or virtual machine, if available from archived sources. Import the WLI file through the Messenger Custom Emoticon Manager. The application displays the emoticon in its proper context with the assigned shortcut and name preserved from the original installation. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. When your file is still locked, it means the file's header or structure is truly obscure. Don't waste time. FileMagick is built for this. It opens hundreds of formats and can be found at filemagick.com. If the problem is solved, please show your support by liking and subscribing right now.